Okay, the next item, it's very easy. It's a status by summary. Okay, here we provide two options to get different type of charts. Okay, each person has their own way of visualizing and showcase to the team where a lot of tickets has been raised and pending, and how many has been closed on time. So these are all the departments needs to get reward because they are closing all the items on time. So those details, it would be easy to mention. Okay, so here we have plenty of options like before, workflow, account, location, assignee, anything. Okay, usually in a lot of other competitors that we have, they provide each chart for each of this one. Okay, they bombarded with so many charts, and it would be really tough for the user to figure out which chart would be useful for them. So that's the reason we provide. We are very cautious about the UI design, and this small thing would be useful for plenty of different purposes. That's the reason we come up with a lot of variety of questions that they could ask here itself. Okay, what would be the department? Here, always it shows Pareto chart. We know the importance of Pareto. 80% of the work, okay, completed by 20% of people, or it would be 80% of the work completed by one department. Okay, most of the revenue comes from 20% of the effort that we do. Okay, we know this Pareto chart would be applicable in many places, so that's the reason we give priority to showcase in horizontal view bar chart. Okay, we really understand data visualization than any of our competitor. That's the reason we provide a very good chart that would be really helpful for end user by seeing the data. Okay, if we give a pie for multiple data, it wouldn't be good. Okay, because we are pioneer on that. So here you could see what would be the overdue based classification for the department, or pending with reason based department. I really understand in general department has a lot of work orders that is in overdue. Okay, I could easily call who would be the department manager and ask what would be the explanation for the same.